take another walk to my my local area. Man, what the fuck did I eat, man? That food, man. Fuck. I can do a B-roll right here. It's like I already seen people there. I already been, you know. Normally a sunny day like this, yeah. It's good you take like a walk. You know what I mean? Get out of bed for a little bit and take a walk. So really, it's like what should I take? I should go cross the bridge, maybe. It goes far enough. It goes far enough this way. Where do I go if I take that?
Where are you looking to go?
I'm trying to go far as I can from the
if you get
houses.
If you get on here, you can go. There's like a long trail. Keep
I'll take that instead then. Yeah, easy. Yeah. Oh right. I'll take this one instead, man. So like the houses and stuff. Get away from the buildings. Come back like that. Damn, man. Cross that. Really. I'm at Clemsick interchange. Wait. I'm gonna go like this. Man, I feel so free, man. You know what I mean? Good to be free, man. Whip, whip, whip. Look, man. I have to go there. Feel free. Trust me. You feel free to do whatever you want. That's why. You do. Ah. Fuck, right? It comes to freedom, man. You just gotta find it. Find your freedom to feel free, to experience nature, to experience like sense of freedom. A lot of people like just what's nowadays you have to find money to get your freedom. But really, when you're free in mind, the money will just come with it. Find a way to find that money, bro, to get that freedom. You know what I mean? I really like. What is the advice of the day? Don't use your God-given power for somebody else's benefit. Okay? Don't use your what? Your God-given power for somebody else's benefit. So let's say somebody who said, I'll pay you money to do this, to do that, to do that. At this age, bro, nobody gives a shit. Okay? Nobody gives a shit about you. Only you should give a fuck about yourself. So I remember when I used to work in a factory, getting up in the morning, up and down, just for money. That's when I lost it, bro. I was like, no way, bro. Shit ain't about to go down like that. That's when I was like, no way, bro. My life is not designed like that. Like for money, bro, like I'm gonna use all this power that I have, that I can, all this energy that God given me, because I know I have energy. I can do everything. But for what? For just a couple dollars? No, bro. That's when I was like, nope. I will work on myself and put it toward myself for my own benefit, for my family, for people I love. Not working for somebody there. How did that make you feel, bro? I'm not saying don't go, you know, I mean, it just pissed me off, bro. The idea of just somebody paying me money and I work. Like, what did that make me look like? You know what I mean? I have like, I don't know how to put it away, bro. But I cooperate really well with people that I work with. You know what I mean? I cooperate really well. I'm on time. I'm doing everything I can because I agree that I'm gonna do it. You know? But overdoing it, it just wasn't doing it for me, bro. I knew that was not it, bro. I knew that shit.